stars in the night sky. How will I know which one is the brightest?
Hey, wait. Let's go outside and look up, okay? No worries. Okay, so it is around 9 o'clock in the night and we can see a bunch of stars. Oh wait, there's in fact this white star which does not appear to be twinkling like the other stars. Can you guess what is this? This is Jupiter. We already know it.
So, planets don't twinkle like stars?
Yes, that's right. That is how we identify planets because they don't appear to be twinkling as much as the stars. But wait, even if Jupiter appears here for now, over the months it is going to move in the sky. In fact, after a few months, it will not be visible in the night sky at all.
Okay, got it.
Now, let's look around and spot some other stars.
Oh, look! Those 3 stars in a line again.
Absolutely, we can see this belt of Orion made by 3 stars in a straight line.
I have still not found the brightest star.
Oh, you have already seen the brightest star. In fact, you see it every day. Every day? Get it? It is the sun. We see it every day in the daytime. It's the sun. But it is so bright that it literally outshines every other thing.
Wait, our sun is a star but close by?
Oh yes, for sure. If our sun was far away like the other stars, it would appear really tiny in the sky.
Amazing. But how do I find the brightest star?
Okay, let's find it. But first we have to find the Orion, the most prominent constellation in the night sky. So we have already made a video about it in the last month. Check it out. Now, once we find these belt of Orion with the 3 stars, you have to trace a straight line in one of the side till you reach a really bright twinkling star. Behold, Sirius, the brightest star in the whole night sky.
Wow, Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky.
By the way, Sirius also has a nickname. It's called the dog star because it comes from the constellation of Canis Major, which in Latin means the big dog. And it was not just the Latin people saw this, Sirius was seen by many different cultures across the world.
When we look at the constellation Canis Major, we see a group of stars that people around the world have been watching for thousands of years. At the center of this constellation is Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. In China, Sirius was known as Tianling, the celestial wolf, and was believed to be a warning, reminding local leaders to protect their people and keep peace. In ancient Egypt, Sirius was called Sopdet. Each year, the return of Sirius in the early morning sky signaled an important time of change. This event signaled that the Nile River will soon flood, bringing fresh water, rich soil, and food for the crops. Sopdet was closely linked to the goddess Isis. Because of this, the rising of Sirius marked the Egyptian New Year, a time of renewal and rebirth. Many years later, the astronomer Al-Sufi carefully studied the stars. In his book, The Book of the Fixed Stars, he showed how Canis Major fits into the sky and described Sirius as the brightest star and the anchor of the constellation. Just as we see it today, different cultures, different stories, all centered around Sirius, the bright, shining star above us all.
Wow, these are amazing stories about the brightest star in the night sky.
I want to tell you one more amazing thing. Sirius is not alone. No, not at all. Sirius has another star in its orbit. It is a binary star system.
Wait a minute. Is our sun a binary?
Oh no, our sun is just a single star. But almost half the stars in our galaxies are part of binaries. This second star that orbits Sirius is so faint that you actually need a telescope to see it. But here is the strangest thing. This second star that orbits Sirius is smaller than the Earth, yet extremely dense. It is called a white dwarf. Guess how they are formed? It is the leftover material from a dead star. I know, right? We will talk about white dwarfs in another video. But remember the nickname of Sirius? Well, the nickname of the second star with Sirius is actually the pup or the puppy. Like pow pow. In the meantime, astronomers can take beautiful pictures of Sirius and its surrounding region. Here's a picture taken from India, and here's another picture taken from Pakistan. In both of these pictures, the brightest star that you see is Sirius.
Sirius looks so bright and so beautiful.
Well, it is almost time to go, so as the evenings start getting warmer, I hope you get a clear night sky and you can find 3 stars in a line, the planet Jupiter and the brightest star Sirius, because it's not going to be visible for very, very long. So you have to see it now before it's gone. So I wish you clear night skies and I'll see you in March.